Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to change blank format to Notepad guys. If your Notepad has blank uh, area in here, how to change it? Let's fix that guys. There are two methods to fix that. I'm going for the easy method. First, go to File Explorer option OPTION. In here you need to go to view section tab over here, and you need to scroll down and you need to search for hide extensions for known file types. You need to uncheck the box and apply and OK. Now here you need to change whatever file you have issue with, that rename that to your registry file or PDF, anything you want. But this file is Notepad. I created it, but issues are having in Notepad, you need to name it as txt. Press enter. Are you sure want to change it? Okay. And after that, this will work for you guys. If this didn't work for anybody's, try this guys. This will definitely work. Right click on it and select open with and choose another app. If there you are not having Notepad is missing, choose another app, click on it and select choose app on your PC, and in here you need to go to this PC and you need to select local disk C and Windows. You need to search for SOS 32 system 32 here. If you are using Windows 10, there will be check for after going to Windows, you need to find Notepad will be there, but Windows 11 you need to go to system 32, and after that you need to search for Notepad guys. Click anything here and type N in keyboard and slowly you need to search it. Notepad exe, you need to open it guys. After that you can easily add over here suggestion app, not default apps. You can more option will be added here and you need to select always, and that's it guys. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Thanks for watching my video.